Welcome to Star Aspect Designs. Another week, another design. This week we are looking at a small 3-bedroom, low-budget bungalow. And the design is compact, efficient, and cost-effective. The internal area for this house is 87 square meters, so that's a small house. So if you want to save on cost, plus live in a cozy, modern environment, this is your house. It has a simple rectangular structure. As I always say, a rectangular structure will save you on cost, will save you on construction time. As you can see here, this is the front porch, very simple. That is the front of the house. It's characterized by large windows, a sliding door, overhead windows, as you can see up there. This is the side of the house. And as usual with a rectangular structure, you also need a very simple roof, which, as you can see, there is one roof sloping one way. And that will save you on cost. It will save you on construction time. And it is very simple to construct, so there's no butchering the design here unless your construction workers really mess up. Back here, as you can see, you have the large windows. And for me, large windows are very important in a design to make sure that there's natural light in the house and also to ensure cross ventilation. Now, a rectangular structure actually ensures that some windows are parallel to each other, like from the lounge to the dining you have parallel windows. That ensures cross ventilation, so you can be sure the room will not get too hot, and also that increases natural light, so it's a plus on every angle. This is the back of the house. You have the kitchen yard there. I like the small rectangular simple look of this house. There you have the gas gauge and the Dobby sink at the kitchen yard. And no matter what size of plot you have, then this house can fit. And you can have the outside space to cater for your other needs. This here is a master bedroom with a corner window. As I've always stated in my videos, corner windows are they have very many advantages. First of all, you have the increased natural light in the room, and then you also have the panoramic views of the outside. The material palette for this house is very minimal. We're trying to keep everything as simple as possible. So as you can see, you only have plaster, and then you have some composite wood in specific areas just to amplify the design a little bit. And then the roof is one sloping roof and one slab for the porch to give it that modern look. And you can use iron sheets if you want a cost-effective design which is insulated. And you can also use Decra roofing tiles for this particular roof. This is the entry porch. Right there you have the car park where you can park 2 cars. But really it depends on your size of the land. So the entry porch is very simple, and I chose a sliding door because you want that indoor-outdoor flow. So that is the entrance of the house. This is what I was talking about, the indoor-outdoor flow. You want that when you're in the porch, you can easily get into the lounge and vice versa. And that sliding door offers you that opportunity. So once you enter the house, that is what you see. This is a very simple, compact design. we'll look at the house in totality first. So you enter and you have the lounge there. And I should state clearly, first of all, this is a very rectangular structure, perfect rectangle, which is what you have there. And for a simple rectangular structure, number one, that means that you have cost efficiency, where you can use standard construction materials to ensure that you minimize waste also. So this is the house, the rectangular structure. First of all, it ensures cost efficiency. That means that you have standard sized materials, and that will definitely minimize your waste. The fewer corners within the house means that you will have a low complexity in the construction, which will reduce the labor cost and the material cost. Then the rectangular structure will also ensure that it's easy construction, because it's very simple. So the easy construction will reduce the construction time, which will ensure savings in cost. A shorter construction time equals savings. So that simple structure will ensure that. And then space optimization, which means that there is very minimal wasted space. So let's go to the plan. There's not much wasted space. Every space is utilized to its optimal efficiency. You have the lounge, and then this is the only corridor, so minimal circulation space. And here you have the rooms opposite each other. You have bedroom 1 there and then bedroom 2 there. And these rooms can accommodate 2 3x6 beds. But I've chosen to have one room as 3x6 and the other room as 5x6. Then they share this bathroom in between. And that bathroom is also acting as a cloakroom. So this side you have those 2 bedrooms, and then in the middle here you have the living space, which is the lounge, dining area, and then the kitchen to the side there. And once you enter the dining area, then that is what you have. The dining area leads to an open entry into the kitchen, which also leads to this door that gives you access to the backyard, which is this area here that you saw on the video. Now from that, then you have this access here to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, Ensuite of course. That's a 6x6 bed. You have your closet space, and because of the compactness of this design, a bundle will do very efficiently for that design. So you have a bundle to access the bathroom, which is right there. You have the shower area, the toilet, and then the sink. And for the kitchen, that is what you have. And as I always state, you always want that triangular feel for the kitchen, the triangular workflow. Remove stuff from the fridge, which is here. Remove stuff from the fridge, wash, cook, return to the fridge, So that particular cycle of work should be maintained, the triangular flow. So if we are to look at the design in totality, that is what you have. And as I stated, windows that are parallel to each other. This is a glass sliding door, and this window here, it will definitely ensure airflow within the house, and that definitely ensures that you have a cool house which is energy efficient, and you also have natural light. And the fact that this house is rectangular in nature, it means that prefabrication can be an option. Modular design can be an option. Those are the best features of a simple rectangular structure. Alright, so that's it for today. If you have any comments, please don't feel free to express yourself down below. Tell me what you like about this design. Tell me what you would improve about the design. Give me some more pointers so that we can continue educating ourselves. I would like to see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let's continue with the design journey. And as I always say, live large.